Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Sienna key battery. Start by locating the small release tab on the fob and use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the cover. Remove the old CR2032 battery carefully, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, then snap the cover back into place and test the remote buttons to confirm operation. Warm up your workspace with good light and a soft cloth to catch parts. Press the release tab while levering a small flathead at the seam. Ease the halves apart slowly. Keep track of any tiny springs or buttons that might shift when opened. Lay the components in order so reassembly is straightforward, and avoid using metal force that can mar plastic or bend internal contacts when separating the shell. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes following workshop audio or step prompts easy and hands-free. It's a handy companion when your hands are busy prying open a fob or holding tiny parts, and it fits neatly on any workbench. If you want one, check the description for the link and deals, and if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new CR2032 by the edges to avoid fingerprints and test fit before snapping the case closed. Press the battery into the metal clip firmly until it seats and ensure the contact tab touches the battery edge. Inspect the gasket or foam for proper placement, and then align the halves of the fob carefully before pressing them together until you hear clicks. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to ensure full remote operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.